Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial on the Go programming language. And in this tutorial, let's see how we can declare variables and print those variables to the console in Go programming language. So in every Go programming language, you need the main method. So first we need to do is we have to first define a package called main, and then we need to import a library called fmt. Now this library is needed for printing, doing input output to the console. So now let's define the main method using the func keyword, and inside the func keyword, now here is where you can define variables. So inside the main method, if I want to declare a variable, I can use the var keyword, and we can declare multiple variables, like for example first name. Let's say that this is a string type of variable. Then we can declare age, maybe this is a float 64 type of variable, and we can declare address, which is again a string type of variable. So I have declared here three different variables. Now let's initialize them by giving it a value. So maybe first name is John, maybe the age is 32, and the address is maybe New York. So what exactly have I done here is I have declared the variables. So these are my variables that I've declared, and then I have initialized these variables. Alright, so let's see now how can I print them. So if I want to print them, I can just say fmt dot print line. So P is capital here. Okay, so this language is case sensitive, so please be careful regarding the cases, the lower case and upper cases when typing in the Go programming language. Now let's pass the variable. So we can say statements like first name is first name, age is age, and address is address. So this print line method definitely takes multiple arguments, so this should work. So if I go ahead and run this, yeah, there you go. So first name is John, age is 32, address is New York. So you can see that a single print method can take multiple arguments. So hence I can print the values of all these variables using just one single print line method, right? So what it is doing, it is actually printing on the same line. So if I print something else, hello from Go program, what it is going to do, it is going to print on the next line, as you can see here. Alright, let's now go ahead and see how we can create a shorthand declaration. So suppose I want to declare quickly a variable, so I can skip giving it a data type, right, by using a shorthand called as colon equal to. So this is basically a shorthand. So let's declare a few variables with this shorthand. Let's say last name is equal to Oliver, and let's say age, or let's say designation is equal to marketing manager. So you can notice here that I have not mentioned the data type here when I have declared the variable using the shorthand. Right now, if we try to print these, So let's add another print statement like this. So I'll say fmt.print line, and this time let's just say last name is last name, and again another print line statement. Let's say designation is designation. So let's run this program once and we'll see our output. As you can see, last name is Oliver and designation is marketing manager is getting printed. So this is how we can declare variables in Golang. To summarize, what we did here is we first declared the variable using the data type. The data type will always come at the end of the variable declaration. After that, we initialize those variables, and then we printed those variables using the println method.